हेलो वेलकम टू तर्कशास्त्र। आज मैं सबसे ज्यादा बार पूछे जाने वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर देने जा रहा हूँ। प्लीज लिसन टू दिस वीडियो केयरफुली। ठीक है, डू नॉट वॉच दिस वीडियो एट द स्पीड ऑफ 1.5x और 2x। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस हाउ टू यूज द स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइडेड बाय तर्कशास्त्र। इसमें जब भी आप हमारे क्लास ज्वाइन करते हो उसमें आपको क्या क्या मिलता है। सबसे पहले तो you will get the classroom sessions और लाइव ऑनलाइन सेशंस। इसके लिए आपका सेपरेट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनता है जहां पे आपको सेशंस की लिंक मिलते रहती है, राइट। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स जिनको बहुत सारे डाउट्स रहते हैं कि सर रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस कहाँ से एक्सेस करने हैं, स्टडी मटेरियल को किस तरीके से यूज करना है। स्टडी मटेरियल वी यूज द स्टडी मटेरियल ऑफ आर ओन एंड टीसीवाई फॉर कैट एंड सीईटी एंड बीबीए, राइट। तो स्टडी मटेरियल में क्लास एक्सरसाइजेस दिया हुआ है, प्रैक्टिस एक्सरसाइज दिया हुआ है। उसका मतलब क्या है, एक्सरसाइज ए है, एक्सरसाइज बी है, उसके सॉल्यूशंस कहाँ पे हैं, कुछ बार कोड दिए हुए हैं, कुछ कंपेनियन टेस्ट करके दिया हुआ है, वो सब क्या है, ये सब मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ ये पूरे वीडियो में। देन आपको इसके भी आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे कि हाउ टू एक्सेस द रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस, हाउ टू register on the website, then how to use the login credentials which you receive on the email to go for to take the mock tests. ठीक है, so let us begin one by one. सबसे पहले जब आप क्लासेस ज्वाइन करते हो आप एक तो क्लासरूम सेशन के लिए या तो फिर लाइव ऑनलाइन सेशंस के लिए ज्वाइन करते हो, राइट। तो क्लासरूम सेशंस हमारे डेक्कन में पुणे में कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं ऑन जे नियर डेक्कन बस स्टॉप। लाइव सेशंस जो है वो आप अक्रॉस इंडिया पैन इंडिया कहीं से भी अटेंड कर सकते हो। यू कैन अटेंड लाइव सेशंस एनीवेयर फ्रॉम इंडिया, right? You will be the separate WhatsApp group will be formed where the links of each and every live session will be provided, right? Now, how to study or how you should proceed with your preparation is, first of all you need to attend a session if you have joined for the classroom or live online sessions. Otherwise, if you have purchased the recorded version of our material, then watch the recorded video of a particular topic. Okay, the schedule of your particular exam is shared by us on YouTube or on your WhatsApp groups. Once you watch the recorded video and get your concepts cleared, now is the time to practice the questions. Correct? For that, we have provided you the books. There are two sets of books provided to you, three different sets of books provided to you, and you will get a book depending upon which course for which exam you are preparing. So you will get the books for extra practice, in which some theory is given and extra practice questions are given. What we recommend is once you watch the video, you should solve the classroom exercise or exercise A from that book. Then you should solve these questions using the timer. Okay, maximum 2 minutes per question for quant and बाकी जो भी है we keep telling you in our regular videos. Okay, so let us not discuss about this now. Once you solve the questions from books, then there comes a time to watch the solutions, whether the questions which you have solved are correct or not, whether the answer which you have found are correct or not. Correct. And if there is any shortcut which you can learn, you will get to know that through the solutions. For that, we have provided you the mobile app, or for our book, we have recorded the solutions in the video format. Then once you are done with the practice exercise or classroom exercise, you need to take the companion test, और जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं यूनिट टेस्ट. Correct? Because there is no point in only preparing if you don't check your preparation, right? How much you have prepared for a particular topic, ये आपको कब पता चलेगा? When you keep taking the regular unit tests on those topics. And once you take the unit test, after completion of few topics, you need to take the sectional test. And after completion of few sections, you should take the full length mock test. This is how you should prepare for any MBA or BBA entrance exam. Right? So let us go through this one by one. Once you have attended the live online or classroom section, you need to watch the recorded videos. How you will access the recorded videos? For that, I need to take you to our website. So www.tarkashastra.co.in. This is the website. Once you go here, you need to register yourself. So you'll enter these details, and once you register, you will be able to log in. For example, I am now logging in with my own credentials. Once you log in, आपको same website फिर से दिखेगा except this change. There is this change. See, this is my login ID. Here is the option of logout, and here is this section, my section. That means I am logged in to my portal now. Here, this is the dashboard where you will get videos, study material in soft copy, tests of TCY and test finder. Okay, so usually we provide the TCY test if there is a choice to purchase the test finder tests as well. So if you now we are talking about the videos, see, so I have assigned myself this particular course of CAT 2 CAT 22 to CT 23 classroom. Now, as I am a paid student, here it will be clearly mentioned that I have paid the fees. That's why you check your videos in the paid section, right? For example, I want to go for the video of, let us say, arrangements. So I'll just type it over here, like I'll get the video. LR lecture 2, circular arrangement part 1, circular arrangement part 2, or linear arrangement. You just need to watch this video from here. You can access this dashboard from mobile as well. Okay, your mobiles or this browser in the mobile need to be compatible with this website. Okay, website is compatible with every browser, but your browser need to be updated. Okay, so this is all about the recorded videos. In the same recorded videos, you can also watch the solutions if you search for the same. Now we will talk about the books. Okay, now we will talk about the books in just a second. Okay, मैंने pointers लिख के रखे थे मेरे खुद के reference के लिए. I'll just delete them. So as we were discussing about the theoretical concept, so you will watch the theory and some solved practice questions from the recorded videos, right? उसमें क्या होगा, आपका concept clear होगा and you will be exposed to the variety of questions. But it is also your responsibility to solve as many questions as possible, right? Which you can do through the book. So this is how the book exercise in the book will look like. So these are the questions. This is the barcode which you will get for the solutions. Here it is clearly mentioned that to view solutions, scan on the QR code using the app. So how to use the app, which is the app which you download, I am going to tell you everything now. And at the end of the practice exercise, there is this barcode to access the companion test, which is the unit test which you must take at the end of every topic. Correct? Which is the unit test which you must take at the end of every topic. How to access the barcode? For that, you need to first of all download the app of TCY. We are building our own app soon. So this app will now we will be having the app of Tarkashastra available on the Play Store soon. So currently you need to download this app of TCY. You will get the email something like this. Okay, where you will get the login ID and password. Obviously, these are the credentials which you cannot use now, even though the mail is sent on September 20, 2022, because this student has definitely changed her login ID and password. Okay, but these are the credentials which we will provide you from our side first. Then, once you download the app and once you log into the app, it will look something like this. See, this is her name, Asha, and there are multiple Options available: online test, remedial test, assigned test, test history, evocate, assigned PPTs, challenge zone, then book code scanner and GK updates. So this is the most important point for our solutions. Once you open this, once you click on this book code scanner in the mobile app, it will pop. This window will pop. So either you can enter the test code which is given right below the barcode, or you can just scan the barcode from this portal. See, this is the code. अभी यहाँ पे आपको zoom करके देखना पड़ेगा. This is the code which you can enter. Otherwise, ये जो barcode दिया हुआ है, ये जो barcode है, you can just scan this barcode by clicking over here. You can just scan this barcode or enter this code over here. And once you click on go, आपको solution दिख जाएंगे अपने टेस्ट के. For example, I have scanned the solutions for linear equations class exercise or class practice exercise. Okay. Then once you are done with the classroom exercise and practice exercise, it is compulsory for you all to take the companion test once to check your level of preparation. Because क्या होता है कि if you are solving the questions on your own, let it be of classroom exercise or practice exercise, you can take n amount of time, right? For example, there are 25 questions over here, 30 questions over here. You can take 15 minutes for this one, you can take 90 minutes for this one, you can take n number of breaks. बायो ब्रेक लिया, दोस्त वोस्त आ गया, वो ब्रेक ले लिया, भूख लग गई, खाना खा लिया, right? But that is not how you should prepare, idea, right? So to keep your preparation in check and to help you assess your level of preparation, we have built these unit tests, okay, at the end of the session. So these are the timer based test. That's why we tell you that whenever you are solving questions in classroom exercise as well as practice exercise, या फिर जब भी आप अपने own on your own practice करते हो, please use the timer based practice is the best practice which you can do for preparing for any entrance exam. Now this companion test will have around 30 minutes for 30 questions or 25 minutes for 25 questions depending upon the topic and the level of difficulty. Okay? Now, this is how the companion test will look like. This is how the companion test will look like. See, total 45 questions, 45 marks, negative mark, no negative marking, and 1 hour. So here you cannot run away from the questions now. Once you start this test, you will have to solve all the 45 questions, and because there is no negative marking, and finish the test within 1 hour. If you are not able to solve all the 45 questions in 1 hour, you will get to know that you need to increase the speed in that particular topic. इसके लिए हम लोग recommend करते हैं कि make a book, जहाँ पे you will make a list of topics, or if you are not making a book, at least maintain all this data in the Excel. That, for example, I am talking about linear equations. I have prepared this topic in the month of August, for example. Then I did solve classroom exercise for 25 questions in 50 minutes. Then practice exercise ke 30 questions in 60 minutes. And in companion test, I was able to solve 25 questions in 30 minutes, out of which my 20 questions are correct. So this data for each and every topic should be maintained by you in your own Excel, which will definitely help you identify your weaker topics and stronger topics by the end of your preparation. हम लोग जो हमेशा बोलते रहते हैं कि do your SWOT analysis. So that SWOT analysis cannot be done in 15, 20, 30 minutes. It needs the consistent efforts and practice. जब आप बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे तब जाके आपको पता चलेगा कि whether this topic is in my strong zone or in weak zone, right? Then mock test and analysis. For these mock test and analysis, we need to again go back to this website. Let me go back to our website again, where we were watching for the videos. So here, once you go to the my section and TCY tests, you will land on this portal. where we were using the login credentials, the same login credentials you use, which you have used for the mobile app, right? Login credentials which you were using for the mobile app, वही login credentials आपको यहाँ पे भी use करने पड़ेंगे. So for I have taken the login credentials of another student now. 894158. Password is. Okay, so I am just showing you how does it look, how it looks like. So once you log into this portal, it will show your name over here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका नाम दिखेगा एंड आपको पूरे टेस्ट यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट. As we always recommend that you must take the regular tests on every weekend, so you need to go to this tab, online tests. This is how it will look like. So there are multiple topic wise tests. Okay, there are multiple tests on GK, then on CAT, NMAT, SNAP, IFT, and so on. Okay, so I have covered everything in this video. How you can watch the recorded videos, how you can take the mock test. Recorded videos के लिए आपको पेड में जाना पड़ेगा. I am repeating myself. How you can watch the mock test. The login credentials for the mock test are the same which you use for the mobile app. How will you, which are the login credentials which you will use for the mobile app? The login credentials which you have received on the email. Okay, I hope everything is clear after this video. Still, if you face any difficulty in login or in accessing any material, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much, guys. Good day.